Hey guys, so another day, another Pokemon, and we're back here. Our series called Restock With Me. So, mag-restock tayo guys dito sa cab. Usually naman kasi, hindi ako yung nakakapag-restock dahil we have our friends who restocks here. We're putting more. We're putting the Mega Dream boxes kasi mabenta yun. Ngayon ko na lang kung wala sila nakuha dito. Puro fresh boxes to. Bubuksan natin yung seal yung shrink wrap. So basically, hindi tayo nag-filter. Bawas natin mag-filter. Ayan. So, hindi tayo nag-filter. Tapos, ang gagawin natin, guys, syempre, since binubuksan na natin to, shuffle natin yung packs. Kasi, bakit sinashuffle? Wala eh. Baka kasi mamaya nasa harap yung packs, di ba? Shuffle lang natin siya ng normal. Actually, I don't know, di mo malaman kung nasan dito yung hit eh. Guys, welcome to another vlog. So, this is, I guess, episode 1 for Reverence Daily, which is, let's call it Making It Back series. So episode 1 for Reverence Daily, which is typically we just restocked our items in the cab and then updated prices. And then after that, where are we going next, boss?
May pick up tayo, another 1,500.
Ay, grabe talaga. Bossing talaga to. So, ayun guys. So, to talk about the series, the main big difference between Reverence Daily and Collector's Corner is here, I'm gonna show you guys the back ends or the reality of doing the business. So, you will see wins, you'll see losses. Of course, you'll see losses in opening packs in Collector's Corner. But here, you'll see what it's like to be a business owner, I guess. Because here, I'll take you guys into the real world of business. So, I guess, stick around and let's see if meron pa tayong magagawang ibang series. Kasi most of the time, it's just me working, you know, with special guests every now and then. I'll be truthful naman, guys. My main objective right now is to get back the money that was lost because I got hacked back then, back in 2024. It took me a year to get my feet off the ground, to pay off the utang from suppliers and everything. And it was really a hard time. So right now, fresh start, so fresh slate, and I guess I'm really thankful for the people that supported, you know, the support channel, support crew. So here naman ako ngayon, and I'm here to talk about the ins and outs, the do's and don'ts, and you know, the daily life of a business owner. So marami tayong magagawa dito, so I hope you guys stick around. We're off to LBC. After that, grab some dinner, and then after that, threes up naman tayo for coffee, and then I guess after that, gym. So you gotta take care of your health, and that's it, guys.